Hello, this is quick view at the new DuckDB support for Delta Table inside Fabric. To be clear, this is not officially supported, just me messing around. The DuckDB already could read the Delta inside Fabric. The difference is that now you don't need to attach Lakehouse. Why it's big deal? It means it can read directly the ABFS file system, which means it can work even outside of Fabric. So you can use it in your laptop. The trick is you need to get a token. Inside Fabric is trivial because we have these notebook utils that give you a token to access sources. Outside Fabric, you need to register an app and get the client ID and client secret, and then when you have that app, give like service principal, which you need to give access to the workspace. So here, for example, when you go to manage access, this is the service principal. Always when you work with Spark and you just deal with small data, you customize your Spark notebook. Like one node is more than enough. It's a medium size, so it means you have 8 vCore, 64 gigabyte of RAM, and I think, I'm not sure, like a 64 gigabyte too of SSD, maybe more. I'm not sure, but it's more than enough if you deal with small data. In this case, the data is only 28 million, so it's not like too big. So let's start session. It always works less than 10 seconds, but obviously when you do recording, you tend to find all kind of funny stuff. Okay, so it works fine. Like you need to install the latest Delta extension from the core nightly, and actually it was literally added just 2 days ago. So like Sam and Gareth, Sam is developer from DuckDB, and Gareth is the guy from Power BI community, and they had a PR and fix it, and they were nice because they could have just said, wait another month for the next release. So I appreciate. This is the core function. So it will read the Lakehouse, get the table names, and then create either views or table. Here you have option. If you're familiar with Power BI, so either you do like import mode or like direct lake. Here to get like for DuckDB to get like the best performance, because the data is small, I'm just going to import. It took 33 seconds for the import to work. To clarify here, the meaning of import, reading Delta table and storing the table as a native table format inside Spark Notebook SSD disk. So it's temporary. Like if I click stop session, then the data will disappear. Obviously not Lakehouse. So the idea is Lakehouse is like permanent storage, and this one is just for performance reason. And you will see like why it's may worth it. So here, preview of the table, it's less than 1 second, which is nice. And this is the best part. So I'm doing, not too complex, but basically give me how much electricity price was produced in the last 7 days, grouped by state, and pivot per like days. Here the formula is the 12 does not mean year. It's simply in 1 hour. The basically electricity generated. We get the data every 5 minutes. So to get a megawatt hour, like in 1 hour, it's 12 because 5 multiplied by 12 is 60 minutes. And the best part, it's 133 millisecond. I would say that's not bad for Spark Notebook. And for example, for example, count SCADA. It's 28 million rows, and it's 4 millisecond. Yeah, as you may have guessed, it's a metadata operation. The point is, it's worth it. So if you do a lot of analytical queries, so you waste 33 seconds, but you earn sub-second performance. Obviously, this does not work if your data is in terabytes. Then you have to say cache is no. Then obviously it will be a bit slower. But the good thing is the Delta support like filter push down. So if you filter, for example, just this year, it will read only this year. So yeah, I hope you found it interesting as I did, and thanks for listening. Bye.